Good afternoon, ma'am. Warm welcomes from the college engineer team. So today we have with us Dr. Nishi Bala, Principal of Management Wing of Ludhiana Group of Colleges. So warm welcome, ma'am. The, how do you feel like coming to the Thoughts on Education program?
Thank you, Harsh. Thanks for inviting me.
So, ma'am, coming with the first question. When I went through your profile, you have mentioned that you have about 15 years of experience in the teaching field. Like you have been teacher, you have been HOD, you are currently the principal of the college. So, ma'am, what are the insights that you like that made you connected to the education sector?
To be very frank, in my early days when I am going to studying in plus one and plus two, I have a dream that I become a banker. Good banker, I have an office with my computer, laptop, and cell phone. Each and everything is there. But when I go for interviews, different. I am love to teach, and I got tuitions, give tuitions to so many children from plus one to 2010 up to my marriage. I gave tuition so many students and earned a lot which I can't explain it. And when I go for interview for a bank, the timings are very strict. So I have so many students. I don't want to spoil their career, so I have to change my career. And in this way, by giving tuitions, then I fall in love with my education and books. I don't know. And now I am in the chair just because of my students.
Okay, and that was quite a love story to hear.
Yes.
So, ma'am, like being the principal of the college, what is the philosophy of the leadership, and how would you describe your leadership roles or leadership styles?
Okay. My leadership philosophy is to create a positive culture for students, faculty, and society members. As an educationist, it's my responsibility to understand needs of students, staff members, and society and manage the expectations by providing quality education. My leadership style is collaborative and transformative. I work with my team and lead by doing.
Okay, so you want to lead by an example to your team. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, you are the principal of the management wing, specially. So this is a particular question you can answer very well. How do you strategize about the key programs and plans for the marketing and administration of your college?
Okay. I focus on giving my team a sense of ownership over what they do to motivate them. I provide them space, listen to them, understand their problems, and try to find out solutions. My endeavor is to my team members should preach students of diverse culture and every section of society. Students are guided in counseling session by my team members and helps them to decide the arena in which they want to excel.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, how does the curriculum of the Ludhiana Group of Colleges ensure the practice which is being taken in the institute are up to the industry marks?
Okay. If I talk about curriculum, our curriculum is developed by ITG. It is the
Punjab Technical University, right?
yes, PTU.
Yes, sir.
It honors the knowledge and abilities of my faculty members and gives them the independence to execute curriculum set by university. I keep track on the objectives that students should be their best learning experience in the college. Nowadays, technology has become a good medium. Online study is there to provide effective learning. I encourage my faculty members to have an innovative mind.
Ma'am, apart from academic curriculum, what extra, like the academic curriculum is set by the IKG PTU, right? So, what other than the curriculum in academics are you providing to the students, like lab facilities or the on-field research, case studies, any such
On-field-
facilities?
Okay. In such we give them projects which is based on industry, like assignments, any questionnaire to fill and give the assignments on market based on industry specialists.
Okay.
Case studies are also there.
Okay, ma'am. So case studies are usually like a greater proportion in management studies. in the final years, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, ma'am, what do you think your roles and responsibility are to the institutes and well as the students?
My role and responsibility is that education reach to every section of society. I wish to change in the personality of my students when they leave the college. They should be equipped well to face challenges put forward by the society. The resources available in the college are used in the most suitable way by the students. I occasionally say to my students when they come, they have to see the picture in the first day of college, and they when leave the college, see their picture and see the comparison, what they have do in their personality and what type of personality now they have within 3 year or 5 year degree when they have completed and going for their career.
Oh, so ma'am, like I'm really impressed with the role you have taken upon yourself of developing personalities of the students, like overall personalities, which is in the modern era, it is mandatory for the student to be equipped with well personality to be good in their corporate life or wherever they go in the society. So I'm really impressed with that. Ma'am, when you first came to the Ludhiana group of colleges, what was your vision for the institute and how has it evolved over the time? And what is the progress and what are your future plans for the same?
Harsh, when I first entered LGC, I was impressed by the fabulous infrastructure available with the college. I had a vision that college should have from different countries, students must have. But at present, they are not. At that time, I joined here in the year 2018. At that time, no single foreign student is there. But with God grace, we have 7 to 8 country students are there who are studying in our country, in our institute. I had dreamed to have foreign collaboration of our institute also. We have taken many steps, but journey is long.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, what are your future visions for the LGC?
Future vision.
Yes, ma'am. Or future plans in that way?
I want that my college have a very good infrastructure, maximum use of technology, experience, facilities, and each and everything should be there.
So you are planning to raise the standards up to the national level as well as the international level.
Yes, right.
Yes.
Right.
What are the things that you might about the LGC that students or the people from outside do not know? Can you give us some insights about the college which people from the outside cannot perceive?
Okay. That is our infrastructure and faculties are strength. Every institute have their infrastructure and faculty. But we continuously strive hard for overall development for the students. Our motive is to make a better citizen for the society. We listen to the students and try to improve by adopting suggestions of students and their staff and our stakeholders.
Okay, ma'am. What are the some going forward? What do you think are the biggest challenges for higher education and for LGC in particular in the future?
The biggest challenge in higher education, I hope everybody agree with me, that we could not be able to stop migration of students to different countries for study purpose, especially in Punjab and in our being the institute in a rural area. So many students are every year drop out for they are going for Canada, New Zealand, UK for higher study and for UG also. We should be able to develop the minds of the students in such a way that they should not be job seeker but job creator. Entrepreneurship skill is required of the students. This is the biggest challenge for me.
And ma'am, so you want your students to be a job giver rather than being a job seeker. May I know what are the things you have planned previously or are planning in the future so that the students of your college are well equipped with the personality that is required to be an entrepreneur?
I'm not getting it. Come again, please.
Ma'am, what are the things you are providing to the students? Like, are you organizing any seminars so that the students are equipped with the skills that are required for being an entrepreneur? Or are there some any sessions from industry leaders?
We provide them seminars, conferences, webinars regularly, or what they can do themselves for their entrepreneurship. Like we have a girls, they can make their handlooms and things, and they can sell on Facebook and other things are there. And there are so many things nowadays that one can earn easily by doing themselves. So this I want that every student who wants to go for abroad, they can do it here also. Why not serve in our country?
Okay, ma'am. So you want everyone to do their part and then learn through their own exposure rather than just getting the theoretical knowledge, right?
Right. Practically,
Yes.
practically, not practically.
Okay. So, ma'am, how do you tend to establish a healthy relationship and environment in your institute?
Okay. I communicate the vision to staff and faculty and ensure that everyone holds a common understanding to achieve the vision. I try to create an environment of trust which tends to establish a healthy relationship and environment in it.
Okay, ma'am. How do you think is your college in performing, like in welcoming the students from different races or different parts of life, or for that sake different geographies as well? How more welcoming can your institute be to the students from different races or different parts of life?
We are holding, we are going to satisfy the students we have from different countries. If they people are satisfied, it means there's more other, and we can connect with them so that we have more students from all.
Okay, ma'am, as we know, during this time, the mental health of the students as well as the faculties might have taken a toll. Being the principal of the college, how do you cope up? Like, how do you manage these things and look for or provide solutions to the students as well as the faculties to cope up with their mental health?
I always ask my students and faculty members, don't be panicked. This is a situation during Corona that online studies there, and even I have a kid there who is only 9.5 years old, and sometimes she is very panicked by a network issue or something, wanted to studying on the online. So I always, this is the part of life. So we can do each and everything if we have a will, hard work. So nothing is possible, because I am impossible. It says itself that I am possible.
Yes, will, hard work, and I am possible. Like, I think that's your motto of life.
Yes.
Ma'am, going forward, the next question. Any suggestions you would like to give to the youth and the aspiring students of the country?
I always say work hard, stay focused, and achieve. Last but not the least, sky is the limit.
Oh man. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us here and to give great insights about your Ludhiana group of the colleges. We can't thank you enough for taking the time out of your busy schedule for doing this interview. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.